Hey boys and girls, so today is going to start our last couple units. We're going to be talking about civil rights. So it's Wednesday, you are going to click on your Wednesday tab and social studies obviously, and we are doing a civil rights road trip. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to download this worksheet here. And what you'll see is the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you are going to want to have this ready for when you read your little passages. So for each one of these, you have to add something different. So in number 1, you're going to add the date that you read about. So if there's dates involved, that's what you're going to put for number 1. Number 2, you're going to write the key people that you've read about in that small passage. And number 3 is just a little summary. So one sentence about what you read. And once you have, you're going to want to have that. And then this is what your worksheets are actually going to look like. So I'm going to download them here so they're a little bit bigger for you to see. But again, first one's Topeka, Kansas. So you are going to read about it. You are going to figure out what the important date is, who the important person or people are, and then a small sentence about what happened and what you read about. You'll do that for number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And these are all about the civil rights movement. Tomorrow we're going to do a little bit more and the same thing on Friday, okay?